Let's explore factoring numbers and prime factorization. This process involves breaking down numbers into their building blocks. It's essential for understanding fractions and other advanced mathematical concepts. Factoring numbers helps us understand how numbers can be broken down into their fundamental components. Let's understand what factors are. Factors are numbers that divide evenly into another number, without leaving a remainder. For example, consider 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Here 3 is a factor of 12 because it divides evenly into 12. Let's find all the factors of a given number. Start with 1 and the number itself. Test each number from 2 upwards. If it divides evenly, then it is a factor. Stop when you reach the square root of the number. For example, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Thus, there are 6 total factors found for the number 18. Let's understand what prime numbers are. A prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. The first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Also, note that 2 is the only even prime number. Let's introduce the concept of prime factorization. The key concept is breaking down a number into its prime building blocks. For example, 12 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3. Let us understand the factor tree method. First, write the number at the top. Find 2 factors of that number. Draw branches to these 2 factors. Repeat the process until all factors are prime numbers. For example, consider the factor tree for the number 30. 30 can be divided into 5 and 6. 6 can further be divided into 2 and 3. Let's learn about the division method for prime factorization. Start with the smallest prime number, which is 2, and keep dividing until the quotient becomes 1. For example, for the number 24, 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Therefore, 24 equals 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Prime factorization has many applications. It helps in simplifying fractions, finding the greatest common divisor, which is also called GCD, and least common multiple, which is also called LCM. It is also used in cryptography basics and advanced mathematics. Therefore, prime factorization reveals the fundamental structure of numbers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.